find us again on the All 4 Mississippi Thunder channel. We got another great video coming up for you here at the Rock House Gun and Pawn. So y'all stay tuned. Thank you for tuning back into All 4 Mississippi Thunder. Any previous viewers and subscribers, we surely appreciate y'all. Now, any new viewers or viewers that have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss anything that happens over here on All 4 Mississippi Thunder. Give us a thumbs up because we always appreciate that. Ring that bell for notifications and share this video with your friends, neighbors, and their friends, and whoever you can think to share it with. Today, we've got a great video coming for you from Rock House Gun and Pawn, and that is at 5430 Highway 19 North, Meridian, Mississippi 39307. Phone number is 601-485-5895, and I will put that number in the video several times for you to see that. And they are a fully licensed FFL dealer following all federal, state, and local laws. I'm not selling any firearms in this video, but if you see something that you like, feel free to call the Rock House Gun and Pawn or stop by if you're local. If you call, they'll get you set up to send to your local FFL. But make sure, and also if you anything else you think of that you think they might have that you don't see in the video, go ahead and stop by and give them a call. But tell them that R4 Mississippi Thunder sent you. All right, well, we got a cool one for you today. We're taking a look at the Springfield Model 2020. All these have the carbon fiber stock with the 5 QD mounts. You got one here on this side, and one here, there, and also one right there. So that makes the 5. Do you see those 2 right here? And got a little M-lock slots under the bottom there if you need to add something else. Okay, I figured I'd show you that while I had it up in the air. Like I said, this is the Springfield Model 2020 Waypoint Rifle. It is offered in 308, 6.5 Creedmoor, 6mm Creedmoor, and 6.5 PRC. This particular model here is chambered in the 308 variant. All right. It has the Picatinny rail on top with 2 recoil pins. It's the Remington 700 pattern that they use. Low profile bolt stop to take the bolt in and out with. So it's really low profile right there, if you can see that. This has while we're talking about the bolt, it has a removable knob here if you wanted to change that out for something. And also it has a 90-degree bolt handle. So it opens at 90 degrees. The bolt is fluted, and the bolt is fluted nicely there.
How much is that one? $439.
It is fluted, and it's done, excuse me, after the heat treatment. It's fluted, and the receiver is milled after the heat treatment. It has dual locking lugs on the bolt, and they call it the EDM, electrical discharge machining of the bolt lug and the raceways that are in here, or the EDM raceways are in here, and they say that's really a close tolerance on that machining with that electrical discharge machining, or EDM. It helps with very smooth cycling. Enlarged ejection port there. The recoil lug is machined into the receiver down there. has what they call the hybrid dual plane feed ramp. That helps for, more reliable feeding. The stocks are hand-laid carbon fiber, and they're also hand-painted. They 100% carbon fiber. Then they're pillow bedded for a perfect matchup to the receiver. And let's see, there's variants that come with a 3-axis adjustable cheek comb. And these are hand-painted stocks, and they come in evergreen or ridgeline camo. It has a nice thick Pacamar butt pad there. The magazines that it holds, since we're talking about that, you can see that's a P-Mag for 7.62, so it's a regular AICS pattern magazines. Now you get an option of a steel or carbon fiber barrel. This is the carbon fiber barrel variant. It has the SA radial brake, they call it, and it is removable. For you can add any kind of brake or anything like that you want to add, or if you want to put a suppressor on it. It comes with this on there, and it also comes with the thread protector. If you don't want that, just if you're swapping your suppressor or something like that, you just want to have a thread protector. Now, Springfield guarantees a .75 MOA 3-shot 100-yard group with a skilled shooter. Has your enlarged trigger guard, and it comes with a Trigger Tech low-profile trigger with the friction release technology, they call it. It's adjustable from 2.5 pounds to 5-pound pull, and it has a free-floating roller, which is a patented design, and for clean and repeatable pulls of the same, poundage there. And also has the no snag safety here. The overall weight starts at, which, with the different stock, the optional stock, this does have the carbon fiber barrel. The weight starts at 6.9 ounces, 6 pounds and 9 ounces. I can't really, I don't know the other poundage or other weight of the other ones. Like I said, this has a carbon fiber barrel, so it's going to be lighter, but it doesn't have the 3-position cheek comb, so that adds to lightness. So I would think that this is probably one of the lighter variants, being of this design. Okay, so let me show you the trigger here.
All right, man.
Now looking at the trigger, it's low profile, got some ridges in it there. And here we go, we have, no take up, real crisp break right there. I'm gonna show you that again. And I'm gonna tell you, I'm here, ready to start the video, and some of the Rock House's customers walk up and just are praising this thing. They're just ready to get it, and they are just super excited. It was a very exciting moment for them when they found this. So this one is not going to be here when you come looking for it, I can tell you that. But they should be. I was reassured by one of the fellows here that they are going to be getting some more in. Well, I hope you enjoyed this review, tabletop here, of the Springfield Armory Model 2020, and this is the Waypoint Rifle. This one is chambered in .308, and you can see right here on the side at Springfield 2020. And from what I've heard, they're pretty unobtainium. But there's one here today, and they're going to try to get some more in. All right, well, I want you to come back and see us again on All 4 Mississippi Thunder. Thank you to all the viewers and subscribers. I really appreciate y'all. And if you're not subscribed, why not? You don't want to miss anything that happens over here on All 4 Mississippi Thunder. Remember, for I have learned to be content in every circumstance. That comes from Philippians 4:11. God bless you, and God bless America.